Unpack the monitor and computer case from the box. Remove any plastic covering or protective tape. Place the monitor and computer case on a desk or work area. Unpacking a computer. Be sure to place your computer case in an area that is well ventilated and has good airflow. This will help to prevent the computer from overheating. Step 2. Locate the monitor cable. There are several types of monitor cables, so the one for your computer may not look like the one in the image below. Monitor cable. If you're having trouble finding your monitor cable, refer to the instruction manual for your computer. If you have an all-in-one computer that's built into the monitor, you can skip to Step 4. Step 3. Connect one end of the cable to the monitor port on the back of the computer case and the other end to the monitor. Plugging in a monitor cable. Many computer cables will only fit a specific way. If the cable doesn't fit, don't force it or you might damage the connectors. Make sure the plug aligns with the port, then connect it. To figure out which cables belong in which ports, try our Connecting Cables Interactive. Step 4. Unpack the keyboard and determine whether it uses a USB, rectangular, connector or a PS/2, round, connector. If it uses a USB connector, plug it into any of the USB ports on the back of the computer. If it uses a PS/2 connector, plug it into the purple keyboard port on the back of the computer. Keyboard and mouse with USB cables. Step 5. Unpack the mouse and determine whether it uses a USB or PS/2 connector. If it uses a USB connector, plug it into any of the USB ports on the back of the computer. If it uses a PS/2 connector, plug it into the green mouse port on the back of the computer. If your keyboard has a USB port, you can connect your mouse to the keyboard instead of connecting it directly to your computer. If you have a wireless mouse or keyboard, you may need to connect a Bluetooth dongle, USB adapter, to your computer. However, many computers have built-in Bluetooth, so an adapter may not be necessary. Step 6. If you have external speakers or headphones, you can connect them to your computer's audio port, either on the front or back of the computer case. Many computers have color-coded ports. Speakers or headphones connect to the green port, and microphones connect to the pink port. The blue port is the line-in, which can be used with other types of devices. Headphones and speakers. Some speakers, headphones, and microphones have USB connectors instead of the usual audio plug. These can be connected to any USB port. In addition, many computers have speakers or microphones built into the monitor. Step 7. Locate the two power supply cables that came with your computer.